Today we'll be looking at the KMA range of Hoshizaki ice machines. This is a KM 40. This video will do the KM 40, 55 and 80s. We've unboxed our machine and we'll now look at removing the packing tapes. We also have an install kit located in the machine, and we have some bolts which are used as feet. Our mounting bolts simply mount in the bottom of the machine, just screw into the bottom where they're adjustable. When you receive your machine, the power lead water inlet line will be coiled up on the back of it. This particular model has the pump out drain fitted, which will have the plastic tube. We just cut the cable tie, and then our water inlet is fitted up to our water system. We've got our check valve, our water filter. The water filter is not supplied with the machine, but they are available from National Ice Parts. We then connect our water up. We turn our water on before we plug the machine in. On this particular model, with the pump out drain, the drain can run uphill, the drain can do anything, but that is only with the pump out drain model. On a normal model, you would have your plastic drain from your install kit, which would push over the white section here and would run downhill. If it's a plastic drain with the push on, it must run downhill. Once we have our water hooked up and turned on, our power turned on, we're then ready to start the machine. It's just a matter of removing the filter here and switching to ice. Now, this machine should take 20 to 25 minutes to make a cycle of ice. The maintenance that's involved in this machine is really just cleaning this filter. It just removes quite simply. You wash it under cold water. Thanks for watching our video. I'm Brad from National Ice Parts.